Hello everyone, this is BSc second year class and today we are going to discuss how the composition table of a finite group is made. So let us discuss the composition table of a finite group. So first example, show that the fourth roots of unity show that the fourth roots of unity form a group with respect to multiplication. Forms a group with respect to multiplication. Now G is the set of all fourth roots of unity, which is equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I, which contains 4 elements. Now we are going to discuss how the composition table is formed by these 4 elements of the group. So let it be, write it down like 1 minus 1 I minus 1 I, 1 minus 1 I minus I. This is our group G. Now multiply 1 with 1, multiply 1 with minus 1, multiply 1 with I, multiply 1 with minus I. So 1 into 1, 1. So 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 1 into I. 1 into minus I as it is. Now multiply minus 1 with 1, minus 1 with minus 1, minus 1 with I, and minus 1 with minus I. So minus 1 into minus 1, 1. Minus 1 into I, minus I. Minus 1 into minus I. Now I into 1, I into minus 1, minus I into I square, which is minus 1, and I into minus I, which is minus I square, is equal to 1. Now I into 1, minus I into minus 1, I, minus I into I square, minus I square, which is equal to 1, and this is minus 1. So ह्याच्यामध्ये बघा कोणताच एलिमेंट रिपीट होत नाही, रो मध्ये पण कोणताच एलिमेंट रिपीट होत नाही आणि कॉलम मध्ये कोणताच एलिमेंट रिपीट होत नाही. आता आणखीन एक लक्षात घ्या, कोणत्याही एलिमेंटला 1 ने गुणलं तर तेच संख्या येते. मीन्स 1 into 1, 1, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, minus I into 1, I, and minus I into 1, minus I itself. So 1 is the multiplicative identity of this group. Now आपल्याला माहिती आहे A belongs to G and असा B जर एक्झिस्ट झाला such that AB is equal to E, then we say that B is the inverse of A. Now आता इथं बघा 1 into 1, 1 आलं म्हणजे 1 हा 1चा इन्व्हर्स आहे. 1 into नाव ह्याच्यामध्ये बघा minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. ह्याचा अर्थ काय, minus 1चा इन्व्हर्स minus 1, म्हणजे असं लिहू शकतो आपण 1चा इन्व्हर्स इज इक्वल टू 1, minus 1चा इन्व्हर्स इज इक्वल टू minus 1 itself. आता आयचा इन्व्हर्स आपल्याला लक्षात घ्यायचा आहे, तर 1 कुठं इथं आहे, तर आयचा इन्व्हर्स काय आहे, minus 1, minus I. सो इन्व्हर्स ऑफ I इज इक्वल टू minus I. आता minus Iचा इन्व्हर्स काय आहे, 1 कुठं आहे, इथं आहे. सो minus Iचा इन्व्हर्स काय आहे, minus Iचा इन्व्हर्स I. सो कंपोजिशन टेबल या ग्रुपचा असा येतो. नाउ सेकंड एक्झाम्पल, show that the set G omega square, where omega is an imaginary cube root of unity, where omega is an imaginary cube root of unity is a group with respect to multiplication. Now the set G is 1 omega square. So these are the cube roots of unity. Now to make the composition table of these three elements, 1 omega square, 1 omega square, and we know that 1 into omega square into omega raised to n is equal to minus 1 raised to n minus 1. These are the nth roots of unity, and which is equal to minus 1 raised to n minus 1. So 1 into omega square is equal to minus 1 raised to n minus 1, means n is equal to 2. So it is equal to minus 1. Sorry, it is equal to n means what? 1 2 3 3. So omega cube is equal to 1. नाव आता याचा आपल्याला कंपोजिशन टेबल फाइंड करायचं आहे. सो मल्टिप्लाय 1 विथ 1 1 1 विथ ओमेगा 1 विथ ओमेगा स्क्वेअर ॲज इट इज. नाव ओमेगा इंटू 1 ओमेगा इंटू ओमेगा स्क्वेअर अँड ओमेगा इंटू ओमेगा स्क्वेअर ओमेगा क्यूब विच इज इक्वल टू 1. नाव ओमेगा स्क्वेअर इंटू 1 ओमेगा स्क्वेअर इंटू ओमेगा क्यूब विच इज इक्वल टू 1 अँड ओमेगा स्क्वेअर इंटू ओमेगा रेस टू 4 omega raised to 4 is equal to omega cube into omega. So it is equal to, this is 1, so it is equal to omega. So this is the composition table of the all cube roots of unity. Now note that 1 is the multiplicative identity of the group, and inverse of 1 is 1, inverse of omega is omega square, and inverse of omega square is omega, because 1 is here and 1 is here. So this forms a abelian group with respect to multiplication. Now third example. Now it is one of the important example in the group theory. Show that the set of 6 transformations show that the set of 6 transformations f1 to f6, f1, f2, f3, f4, f5, f6 on the set of complex numbers defined by, so f1 of z is equal to z1, f1 of z is equal to z, f2 of z second transformation 1 by z, f3 of z is equal to 1 minus z, f4 of z is equal to z divided by z minus 1, f5 of z is equal to 1 by 1 minus z, f5 of z is equal to 1 by 1 minus z, f6 of z is equal to z minus 1 by z. So these are the 6 transformations. We have to show that it forms a non-abelian finite non-abelian group of order 6 is finite non-abelian group of order 6. Now I am going to discuss how the composition table of these functions. Now consider f1, f2, f3, f4, f5, f6. f1, f2, f3, f4, f5 and f6. नाव आता मी काय करणार आहे, हे दोन कंपोजिशन फाइंड करणार आहे आणि बाकीचं काय असणार आहे तुमच्यासाठी होमवर्क असणार आहे. नाव f1 of z1, f1 composition of f1 with f1 into z is equal to f1 of z is z, so it is z, and f1 of z is equal to z, so it is equal to f1. Now f1 into f2 is equal to what? f1 into f2 of z is equal to f1 of f2 of z is what? f2 of z is 1 by z, and f1 of 1 by z is z, as it is 1 by z, so it is equal to f2. Now f1 f3 of z is equal to f1 of f3z, so f3z is 1 minus z, so f1 of 1 minus z, it is as it is 1 minus z, it is equal to f3 as it is. Likewise f4, f5, f6. Now I am going to calculate f2 f1. f2 f1 of z is equal to f1 of z is what? Z, and f2 of z is equal to 1 by z, so it is equal to f2 as it is. Now f2 of z is equal to f2 of z is what? 1 by z, and f2 of z is equal to z, so it is equal to f1. Now f3 of z is equal to f2. f3 of z is what? f3 of z is 1 minus z, so it is, and f2 of 1 minus z is equal to 1 by 1 minus z, it is equal to 1 by 1 minus z is what? Which function? So it is equal to f5, fifth function, f5. Now f4 of z is equal to f4 of z is what? Z by z minus 1, and f2 of z is just reverse is z minus 1 by z, so what it is? Z minus 1 by z, f6. Now f5 of z is equal to f5 of z is what? 1 by 1 minus z, so f2 of 1 minus z is equal to 1 minus z, and 1 minus z is with f3. Now only f4 is remaining, so it is equal to f4. Now this forms a group, non-abelian group. Now we have to show that it is a non-abelian group. Now here note that f3 of z is equal to f5. Now consider f3 f2 of z is equal to f2 of z is 1 minus z, it is equal to f3 of z is what? 1 minus z, so it is equal to 1 by 1 minus f3 of z, 1 minus 1 by z, it is equal to z minus 1 by z, and z minus 1 by z is f6. So from this we can say that f3 of z is not equal to f2 of z. Hence we can say that this is a non-abelian group of order 6, and हे तुमच्यासाठी होमवर्क आहे, हे उद्या कंप्लीट करा. सो आजचं लेक्चर आपण इथंच थांबूया. थँक्यू.